Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make tea using a tea bag. First, select your favorite tea bag. Next, heat fresh water to the correct temperature, usually just before boiling for most black teas or slightly cooler for green teas. Finally, choose a mug or cup that can comfortably hold at least 8 ounces of liquid. This ensures you have enough space for your delicious beverage. Now, place your chosen tea bag into the mug. Carefully pour the hot water directly over the tea bag, ensuring it is fully submerged. Allow the tea to steep for 3 to 5 minutes. This steeping time is crucial for extracting the full flavor and aroma from the tea leaves. Adjust the time based on your desired strength. Once your tea has steeped to your liking, gently remove the tea bag from the mug. You can now customize your tea. Feel free to add sweeteners such as sugar, honey, or a sugar substitute to achieve your desired level of sweetness. For a different flavor profile, consider adding a splash of milk or a slice of lemon. Your perfect cup of tea is now ready to enjoy. Carefully sip and savor the warm, comforting flavors you've created. Don't be afraid to experiment with various tea types, from herbal to black, and different additions to discover your ultimate favorite. Also, be sure to check the description below for a fantastic deal on a water bottle and other great offers. Enjoy your tea.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.